My name is Hideo Ishii, and I'm from Tokyo Electric Power Company, Tokyo, Japan. And actually, we are a vertically integrated private utility company. Talking about renewable energy, solar power generation is primarily the resources. In Tokyo area, there are not so many suitable places for wind power generation. Is that right? And in Tokyo area, due to the government push, the subsidies for introduction of photovoltaic and also new tariff program had began last year. So people are now trying to install photovoltaic. The numbers are increased very rapidly. And the grid issue is an overvoltage problem in distribution network. We already have that problem. And also, maybe in the near future, it will be very difficult to take a supply-demand balance throughout the year, especially at the low load season in autumn and early spring. Actually, the government also aware of these problems. So they had initiated national project in order to cope with this sort of problems. We are developing the battery technologies, battery scatter, and also a control method for them, and also involvement of a demand side in order to take demand-supply power balance. So we are developing such a sort of control method using an energy management system. The problem is, so right now we have backup from the government, but if it ends, what happens? That will be the problem. Maybe the renewable energy is very costly and very high cost at this moment. And so maybe in order to deploy this, we need some support from the government and so forth. So in Asian countries, I think a lot of utilities are trying to deploy smart meters right now. And it is natural because the introduction of automated metering infrastructure is cost-effective. Actually, it is self-sustained project. But in case of renewable energy, maybe we need a continuous support from government and some other mechanism in order to sustain the installation of renewable energies. This is very active, and also there are a lot of people. And so to me, this event is more on something like investment side, not technology side. So that's the difference I feel that as compared to other related such sort of event.